Hey, it's Xavier, and want to do a walk around on this black 2025 GLE 450 equipped with the AMG appearance package. You can see it has a Mercedes Star grille. It also has the AMG bumper, which provides you functional wind diffusers. You do have, as part of the AMG package, wheel flares that are body color. And again, this one does have the upgraded AMG wheels as well. This one does have the night package because instead of the chrome trim, it's got the blacked out window trim. You can see it along the door there. Let me show you the inside of the car. It is the black interior. You can see the ambient lights. It is equipped with the exclusive trim, which provides you the Burmester upgraded sound system. This one is equipped with, instead of the standard sunroof, it is equipped with the panoramic roof, which provides great visibility and a lot of space on this car. And with the panoramic view, you get a beautiful view of the car. This GLE 450 does have the trailer hitch there. That's also an upgrade. This one is a certified Mercedes, so it does come with an extended warranty, including the price. If you would like additional details on it, let me know.